Dear brothers and sisters, one very social evil which is going in our society, in Muslim society. The question is, can a woman get married without having a marriage consummated? In hadith number 5261 in Bukhari, Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha reported that a man divorced his wife 3 times, expressing that he wants to divorce her permanently. And he divorced her thrice. Then she married another man who also divorced her. The Prophet ﷺ was asked that if this lady can marry the first husband legally, Prophet ﷺ said, no, she cannot marry the first husband unless the second husband consummate his marriage with her just as the first husband had done. Unquote of the hadith. Dear brothers and sisters, this is a very important hadith. Some of the people today, they get a divorce from the first husband and then they make a nikah with the second man and they don't have their physical relationship and they seek the divorce from the second husband and then they go back to the first husband. That's totally illegal Islamically, and it is against the hadith which I have already quoted. May Allah guide us to follow Quran and Sunnah. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi